Welcome to 23 Delaware Avenue in Springfield, Mass. This 1,884 square foot house sits on 0.24 acres, and as we walk through the large entrance, you'll be able to see as you come in, going up the stairs, nice hallway, clean, large. We come in to the kitchen. As you see the kitchen, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, beautiful wooden cabinets with raised panels, large doors going out to the back with an above ground swimming pool. Eating area that moves into the family room. And this living room is connected to another room that goes from the front to the back of the house. Moving through, here's where the front entrance was. Stairs going up to the upstairs. As you come back down that hallway, a half bath downstairs. Again, hard tops, tile floors. Tile floors in the kitchen, hardwood throughout the downstairs. And again, this is looking from the front room all the way to the rear room. Now we're going to go upstairs. Newer carpeting. The house is well maintained. Hardwood as you come up to the top. And we'll go over to the bathroom. Here's a full bath. With tub and shower. Tile floor. Granite countertop on the sink. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. This is the one to the rear of the house. Carpeted. Large walk-in closet. Then here's the second of the bedrooms. This one is into the front of the house. Again, large closet. This house has ample storage and nice closets in every one of the bedrooms. Again, carpeted in the bedrooms, hardwood in the main walking areas. Now we're going to the master, which is the 3rd bedroom. Very large, front to back bedroom. Bright with windows. Large space, nice walk-in closet at the back end of the house. And again, this room is carpeted. All 3 bedrooms are carpeted. Main areas are hardwood. All the wet areas are tile. And this is the master bath. This is an oasis. Double sinks, double vanities. Nice, beautiful walk-in shower, glass. A soaker jetted tub. In the back of the house, quiet, serene Nice shower head, tiled, area to even sit. I will walk back downstairs. And we'll go out to the cellar. This is in through the dining area, down the stairs. This has a partially finished basement. Hatchway to a Bilco door going outside. And when you come back in the back of the house, they have an area that they use for their laundry and for storage, and they have an extra refrigerator in here. A nice big area for your laundry, including folding table. And back in here is your furnace and your hot water heater. Both are gas, and the home has central air. This is tiled in this area. Now we'll go back upstairs. You're probably going to want to see the beautiful deck and above ground swimming pool. Through the kitchen, through the big doors. Here's your deck. Okay. Woods in the back. Gives you your tree line. Above ground swimming pool right off of the deck. Beautiful for summers. Entertaining and just relaxing. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 23 Delaware in Springfield, Massachusetts. Call us. You can come in to see the house live and in person.